How to reactivate your Epic Games account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can reactivate your Epic Games account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to reactivate your Epic Games account, all you have to do is just go to epicgames.com and then you're going to be able to see this type of interface. Once you go to epicgames.com and then sign into your account, what you need to do is, if you happen to delete or maybe just deactivate your account before and now you want to reactivate it, it's nothing really that difficult. All you have to do is just simply try to log into your account, and when you try to log into your account, most likely you're going to get a pop-up that could be saying you want to reactivate your account or not. So as you can see, I'm here, and then just click the sign in button from the top right hand side of the screen. Once I click the sign in option from the very top right hand side of the screen, here over here what you want to do is just try to sign into your Epic Games account. And when you try to sign into your Epic Games account as normally as you would do, you will be able to go ahead and then reactivate your account without any hassle. This way you can reactivate your Epic Games account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.